Please sit there. Brother, okay. Alhamdulillah. Seyi, small boy, Seyi, come on. Very bad boy. Very bad boy, criminal. Takes you 5 hours. Megrima, sugar banker, sir. I'll serve it. You get wouldn't do increase on my money to make a sense. I know
these are analog equipment.
Thank you very much. Your Excellencies, the Senate Minority Leader, and other members of the National Assembly here present, Your Excellencies, leaders of the party from the National Working Committee, Your Excellencies, very, very distinguished candidates of our party in various states, and other members of this group. I'm delighted that on behalf of this group to confirm that we have met together for the first time after the primaries of the People's Democratic Party. We have frankly reviewed matters among ourselves. We want to confirm that we are solidly together as a group, and we also want to let the nation know that we shall keep our people briefed as developments unfold. And therefore, this is a very brief statement on behalf of our group that we are very, very delighted to have had this meeting, to have exchanged views, to have reviewed matters, and we know that developments will unfold, and as they do, we shall honestly and properly brief the nation. I want to thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.